So there's a lot of, the Bucks are pretty good, the Brewers are pretty good, the Packers are pretty good. When you have these national sports announcers that come into our state and they try to say some local cities, they always mess it up. When you're talking about Green Bay, you don't say Green Bay or Green Bay. It's Green Bay. Manitowoc. For me, that's pretty easy. It's not Manitowoc. It's Manitowoc. There's a city right outside of Milwaukee that's Oconomowoc. For a local, Oconomowoc's pretty easy to say, but I've heard many people who have come and said whatever the wrong way of saying Oconomowoc is. The other thing, Waukesha, not Waukesha, it's Waukesha. That's a pretty big county right next to Milwaukee, and it's pretty easy to say. It's Waukesha. We have cities in Wisconsin that you have to say a certain way, like Trivers. It's not Two Rivers, it's Trivers. Teresa, there's roads that you have to say a certain way. I'm not going to get into that whole rabbit hole, but in Wisconsin, we have a certain way of saying certain cities, certain localities, and you know if you're from Wisconsin and you know if you're not. There's a lot of attorneys that practice in Wisconsin. They handle car accident cases, but they're in Alabama, Illinois, Georgia, Texas, Utah. So ask them, how do you pronounce Oconomowoc? Maybe spell it out for them, or ask them how to spell Tworivers. If they say Two Rivers, you probably know they're not from Wisconsin.